In this presentation, I'm going to show you how you can achieve any goal you set for yourself. The first question you need to ask yourself is, why do you set goals? The answer is simple. You set goals because you want to become a better version of yourself, or you want to upgrade your life's experiences. To achieve this, you have to personally select these milestones as a way to make it happen. If you find yourself continually failing to achieve your goals, I'm going to show you some helpful tricks that may help you finally start achieving the goals you set. Create a vision board. When it comes to achieving your goals, being able to visualize what you want is significantly more potent than merely writing them down. Creating a vision board works exceptionally well for those who are visual learners. To create a vision board, flip through magazines and find images that inspire you. Take the photos and attach them to a poster board and place it where you can see it often. Creating a vision board with inspiring images will bring you motivation and inspiration. Share your goal. One of the best ways to reach your goals is by making yourself accountable to your friends and family. A great thing happens when you tell people your goals. They jump on board with you and do what they can to help you reach your goals. You'll find people coming out of the woodwork to join you in your journey and cheer you on. Make your goals manageable. One of the reasons you may be failing to achieve your goals is because they are just too big. To make your goals more manageable, select milestones that will help you reach bigger goals, turning each one of these milestones into a mini goal. Breaking your big goals into smaller ones will make achieving your goals more feasible. Set a deadline. One of the best ways to achieve your goals is to give yourself a deadline. If you impose a deadline on yourself, you'll be much more likely to accomplish your goals. Be realistic. Simply put, you're more likely to reach goals that are realistic. Don't set yourself up for failure by letting your dreams get bigger than what you can realistically achieve. Make sure that the goals you set for yourself are attainable. When it comes down to it, the only person who matters in the goal-setting process is you. You're the one who will be putting in the hard work to reach your goals. Commit to yourself, and then recommit yourself every time you reach a hurdle, and know that with hard work and persistence, you can achieve any goal you set.